Hi, this is Bill. I am so glad you have joined me today on a Kerbal Space Program video. Yes, I'm about 10 years late to the party, but that's okay because I want to get ready for version 2. And to do that, I'm going to give myself a challenge. I'm going to start a game. Yes, a brand new game. Let's start anew, and I'm going to go career mode. But I'm going to change these game difficulty to hard, and I'm going to allow other launch sites. That's it. Just going to allow other launch sites. Everything else is going to be hard. If Jeb dies, Jeb's dead. So we're going to try not to kill Jeb. But here's the other thing that I'm going to do. I'm only going to give me 30 parts, which means I'm not going to upgrade the VAB, the vehicle assembly building, and I'm not going to upgrade the whatever that other vehicle assembly building is for the aeroplanes. So I'm going to make it a little bit more difficult for myself. I've played this a couple times and I've learned a couple secrets. I thought I would like to show you what I've learned in case you want to try this yourself. All right, so let's start. We need to start by heading over here to Mission Control, and we're going to accept the launch your first vehicle, and we're going to gather scientific data. Yep, uh-huh. And so what do I have installed as far as what's going on with my machine? I'm running this on a Mac. Yes, I know, that's strange. It's not a PC. I have Eve installed, I have Scatter installed, and I have a trajectory installed. And the DLCs, the stock DLCs. That's what I have installed. I'm not going to install any other things. I want it to look good, and I need those crosshairs to know where I land. I think that these Kerbals are advanced enough to know how to do that out of the gate. So we're going to allow that to happen as well. All right, let's create our first vehicle here. We're going to create an easy one. We're going to not go very far because we don't need to go very far. And we'll probably need a parachute so we don't kill the guy. That would be good because we can't escape. We can't do an EAV yet because we haven't upgraded the astronaut facility or the Kerbonaut facility or whatever the heck it is called. I don't know the names of these things. I'm not Scott Manley. I'm Bill. So let's get as good as we can get. All right, there it is. We're ready to go. We've got our guy in there. Let's have Jeb take the first launch of this 30-part challenge. Here we go. All right, there he is. He's ready for look at how excited Jeb looks. Yes, he looks excited. All right, let's go ahead and observe that mystery goo. Let's get that mystery goo ready to go. We'll go ahead and keep that experiment. We'll get this one ready to go. So we'll have one ready for the air and one ready for the sea if we make it that far. We'll go ahead and EVA Jeb. There he is. We will go ahead and get an EVA report, and that is good. And then we will grab this data out of here. We'll take the data and we'll board again. That way we can get the data when we're up in the air, which we are ready to do. We'll turn on SAS because remember, we can't kill him, or we're going to try not to anyway. Here we go. We're up in the air. We're observing the mystery goo. We're getting the crew report. We're headed to somewhere. Not very fast, but we're headed there. All right. Okay. All right. Are we going to make it to the water? Probably not. I think I got the resolution set way too high. I got it running at 4K right now. I wanted to see if 4K would work on this MacBook. I'm going to say it's a little slow at 4K. I may have to drop it down to 1080. But that's okay. Come on. Come on. Don't kill Jeb. Oh, no. Oh. 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 That was close. All right. There we go. We're going to now Wait for him to fall over because I want to make sure he is indeed landed. We'll observe the mystery goo. We'll go ahead and get our crew report. We won't overwrite it. We want an EVA though. We want to take the data. We're going to go ahead and right click. Yeah, boy, I am going to have to change the resolution on this. It is not going well. That's okay. I know how to do that. But we'll get the crew report or the EVA report. We'll board this thing. We'll get the crew report. Fantastic. We got it all. We're ready. How much science did we get? 22. Not too shabby. All right. I'm going to go ahead and exit and change the resolution on this, and I will be right back. All right, we're back. We're at a lower resolution. We are at 1080p now, or 1200 instead, and it's performing a little bit better. That's much more better for me. Let's get some science. Science! We're going to get this science. We're going to research. Notice I don't get the parts. So we want to go ahead and buy that one while we're at it. And we'll probably need that later, but we'll buy it when we need it. Survivability. Let's get this one. We can research 15 points. We'll buy this one. We'll go ahead and purchase that. And anything else in Sciencey? No. All right. The things that we want to get right away in science, in my opinion, is we need to get the Science Junior, and we need to get space exploration. These are the two I need to get before I get really going. And because space exploration gives me the Rove Max wheels, which allows me to get all the biomes around the KSP. And yeah, that's a good thing to do. So let's leave the facility because we don't have any more science. Let's get some more science. We'll create a new craft. I just want to put science on the craft. We're going to put one of those on. We're going to get one of these on. And we're going to get one of these on. And we're going to change it to the scientist. All right, Bob, here we go. We're going to launch you right now. Probably should have checked to see what kinds of things I could have done, kind of contracts I could have picked up, but that's okay. We'll do it after this. All right, zoom in. Log. Observe. You can normally do a mystery goo. I think you could do it 3 times before it gives you 0. And that's about all we can do with poor Bobby here. Let's see. No, we can do an EVA. And we can right-click on him and jump and do an EVA report. And then we can get while flying over. F and B for board. And then we will recover the vessel. All right, 9. All right, let's see how much we need for the next thing. We need 45 for the next thing. So this is the boring part. What I'm going to do is see if there's any contracts I can pick up that are going to be easy to do. I don't like to do these conducts because I'm not a very good flyer yet. We can do this one at the launch site. We can grab that. That'll give us 1 science and a little bit of money. We can do this one at the launch site, so that's good. Splashdown, that's an easy one to get. And how much time do we have left on it? 5 hours, good. Flight and booster orbiting. Okay, those are we can do 3 of these. So that'll give us some cash. So let's get those done now. Let's do, actually, I think let's try this. I know it says a launch site, but I don't know if it matters which launch site it is. So we need a flea booster. And I want to take out all the fuel and all the thrust. And we need a swivel on the top there. Okay, that's it. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Woomaburg site and do this experiment. Then we can accomplish even more with one go. All right, launch, baby. All right, there he is. We'll go ahead and run the test. And up, we got it. All Run the test. We got that one too. That's great. Crew report. Observe the goo. Log the temperatures. Log the barometer reading. EVA. EVA report. Store the data. Jump off. EVA report at the launch site. Okay. Oh, too far away to store. Yep, I can't store. Oh well. We are going to go ahead and recover. Next, done. Go to the tracking station. We'll recover this one. Recover. We got all the parts. We got science. We got our science. We got, what did we get? Did we get 100%? Yes, we did. Yes. All right. Because money is important in this kind of game. All right. What else we got? We got anything else great that we can do? A splashdown. A flight. Doesn't say. That's too high. No, I'm not going to worry about any of these. All right, let's go ahead and finish the boring stuff. "46 science." I still have one biome left. All right, we want to research this. I want to grab this. And we own that. We don't have we don't have this guy yet. This electronics gives us this, which allows us to start launching satellites. And that's to give us some cash. But we need this to get the wheels, unless we can get a mission for that. Let's see, a contract. Sometimes that pops up. No. Alright, let's see. Orbit, flight, splashed, decoupler. Let's do the splashdown one. Okay, that's good. So what we can do then is get a shipmate to land over in the ocean. So do that. I think we can get group capacity 1. Okay. We want this engine on here. We want a parachute. Because I am in hard mode, I'm going to put a drogue chute on there. Because I don't want Jeb to die. We need to get science. And we need this. And we needed to test the decoupler in the splashdown situation. So that's that. That'll be good. And now we need science. And let's do 3 of these. Because we can. Let's do this. Whoops, we don't need 3. We only need 1 of those. We don't need 1 of these. But I do want to buy this thing. You'll see why in a second. Alright, there's that. There's that and the other thing. Who's gonna live? We got enough fuel to get there. Yeah, we'll be good. Alright, let's launch. Are we with Jeb? That is the question. Yes. So let's launch. Do I want the question becomes, I should have put 2 of these on there. That's alright. I'm going to go ahead and conduct the material study here. I'll keep the experiment. And we'll go ahead and recover the vessel. Then I'm going to edit the vessel to put 2 more on, so I can get 1 in the air, 1 in the water. Science. Okay, now we're ready. Launch. I'm going to have 3 biomes on this launch. I'm going to have one here, one in the air, one in where it lands. This one I can't do anything with right now because I only have 2 of these. So we'll get that set aside. We'll go ahead and get that one observed and get our point 1. Every little bit helps. Get that ready to go. We'll get this ready to go. We'll get this ready to go. I have to get these ready to go or I forget them because that's what I do. I forget things. Okay, I already have in the air the crew report. Got that last time. So I am ready to go. Oh, I don't have my staging right. So we're going to launch. And I want to do that. Okay, here we go. Ready? Nope, Sass. Now you're ready. Launch! If we get flying well, we will worry about conducting all of our experiments while we're in the air. 1, 2, 3, 4. We should be okay. Alright, so this one is good. This one is gone. Yes, that's good. That one's gone. We'll collect all. I don't think I need a crew report. Oh, I do. Good. Collect all. And I don't want to do those yet. Can I get... I don't think I can get more of those, so that's okay. One more. Perfect! So, conduct, log, crew. So we should have 5, 3, 4, 5. And we'll take the data. We'll right click. Let's see, what is it? How does it want it to do it? Splash down. No, they want it during the staging sequence. Okay. Why aren't you staging my sequence? Get these out of the way. Get that out of the way. Why can't I stage? Oh, is it not attached anymore? Let's EVA you and see what happens. EVA report. B for board. Now can we? There we go. Woo! All right. Cracking. All right, I think we got it all. We are good. Recover. 47. That gives me the 45. What do I need? That is, oh, that's a 90. That's the 45. All right, let's exit out of this. Let's leave the facility. We might have to
Oh
jump to
man.
launching into escaping the atmosphere. How much money we got? 75,000. Booster orbiting. No, no, no. Coupler and a flight. No, I don't want to do that. No, 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 no. Okay, none of these are good. Let's escape. Do we want to escape the atmosphere now? I guess we could. That'll give us some more science. We still have the round to do with the science station, and I still have 1 biome left. I don't think that 1 biome is going to give me enough. But let's see. We'll do a new craft. Might as well get it out of the way. And that needs to be Bob. Come on, Bob. Desert launch site. And we're going to go ahead and launch. I don't think I'm going to get much out of this. Alright, that wasn't worth it. It's only going to give me like 5. Oh no, the other one is the desert airfield. Sorry. Oh, I'm at 52. Let's go to the desert airfield. Airfield. Oh, I gotta change the dude. And desert airfield. Launch. Right. Conduct. Observe. Log. Log. Crew. 1, 2, 3. EVA. EVA report. And store experiments. And then we should be able to get one of flying. No, that's not it. We want flying. No. No. There we go. And keep. And I don't think you can jump and get back into the ship. Alright, recover. Let's recover you. 64 science. Look out. We are on our way. Alright, anything good? Orbiting. Flight. 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 Observational service. No, okay, nothing good yet. We have 82,000. What I'm trying to get is to be able to upgrade the astronaut complex for 150, and we need to upgrade mission control. I need to upgrade these three to start. Those are my three upgrades. I probably will have to upgrade the launch pad quicker than I want to. Right there. Let's recover that. That's some money. All right. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What can we do? Let's can we get, let's see, we could get basic rocketry. I know we need that. We need general because I want that. So we can research that. That gives me to 39. This is a good one to get because you get this part. And then you can start ferrying tourists or into orbit and get some cash. That's how you that is how you mine or whatever it is. Grind. That's the term the cool kids use. That's how you do grind. You grind for cash. So you got to use that until you can upgrade your stuff. So that's good. What is that going to take? 45. Can't do it. I don't want stability. I don't need that's a good one to get right there. So stability is pretty good. How much is it? 18. Let's get it. Okay. We're going to exit now, and we are going to do our escape the atmosphere. You ready? Jeb. Alright. And I need to buy this. Actually, I can put this here, which will give me a little bit less weight, because I'm going to be using this thingamabob. And I want two of these, one for the upper atmosphere and one for space, the final frontier. And we need two of these for the same reason. We'll put them there. And we'll grab this guy and put him there, and we'll grab this guy and put him here. Alright. I think we're good. We got to go. Oh, we only have two of those. We don't need two of those. That just wastes money. We can't be wasting money. Alright, and that's going to come into play once we get into 30 parts. Alright, we want this. We need you higher. And we need to put some fins on you so that we don't kill ourselves. We need 3. Okay. So we'll get this when we're in the upper atmosphere, this in the upper atmosphere, this when we're in space, that when we're in space, those two in the both spots collect. that. Yep, we are good to go. We have this, we have that, we have this. Yes, that is good. Actually, I could just do that, and it would be just fine. Do I need more electricity? No, because I'm not going very far. So, do we have Jeb? Yes, let's launch. All right, we got that. We got SAS on. Let's get this ready. You ready, Jeb? Okay. We're going to do crew reports until it says upper atmosphere, and then we're going to go ape shit on those. All right, here we go. SAS is on. We're ready. We're going to launch. Get this over like this. I don't know when upper atmosphere starts. All right, we got it. We got the space. We're not too far up, so we're okay. Oh, what did we lose? What did we lose? I don't know what we lost, but we didn't lose a parachute, so that is good. Let's go ahead and crew report. Upper atmosphere. Good. Log. Conduct. Log. We lost some things, but that's okay. Collect all. That's okay. We got that still, so we're good. We got the thermometers, we're good. We're going to keep the doors open to help slow us down. We're going to get ready to come down. Oh, we're in space now. Conduct, log, log. 1, 2, 3. Crew report, good. And collect all. Okay, so those are done. We don't need those anymore. Log temperature, we'll keep that alive. Oh, I still have the barometer. Let's see, collect all. Nope, I already got it. Review. Reset. Okay. I think we're a little heavy. I'm going to get rid of all of that. Good. Don't like to hit the water going fast. All right, I think we're good. We're covered. We did it without killing Jeb, and I think we got some science out of that. 97. Look out. Look out. This is where we want to be. Can we do a rover? No. Gosh darn it. Answer at the launch site. We can do that. That'll give us $3,000, which is good. I mean, at this point in the game, every little bit helps. Orbiting, flight, flight, flight. Okay, so let's just get that one thing done. Then we'll run over to the science building, and we will get the rover made. We'll drive the rover around, collect all of the science, and then we'll be done for this episode. So we'll do a new, and we'll do this, and we will find out what they want. I don't remember what it was. Launch stability enhancer. What the hell? Oh, it's this thing. And we don't want to be that high because we'll kill Jeb. That's good. That'll work. And we will launch. And how do they want us to do this? Perform the test, active part through the staging. Alright, just like that. Perfect! Recover a vessel. looking to see if that part was gonna. That's all right. Okay. So, well, before I do this, I want to check to make sure that the rogue master is not there. It is not. Sometimes it is, so it's worth it. See, 4 tourists back to safety. This is not enough money yet. So we're not going to accept this one because they're ones with orbit and you get twice the money. All right, research. We want to research that because we want that. So we'll research. And how much? We got 8, so that's not enough. So we're going to leave the facility. We're going to go here and we're going to create a ship. Now I know I could have done this by attaching 2 of these together and create a vomit comet, as I call it. But this is a don't kill Jeb game. And we don't want to kill Jeb, so we don't want to create a vomit comet because I have blown up in those before and it made me sad. Go. Well, that's not in a good spot. We need to get this in a good spot. Yes. Alright. And we're going to need science. There. That can go right on top of here like this. The other ones really don't matter where they live, so we'll stick them there. Whoops. We want this one. Gonna need some batteries, because you won't make it around unless you have some batteries. You need at least 2. But since we get almost all the money back, it really doesn't matter how many we put on. And we go with those. And we want to... I think we flip with yes. I got it right this time. I don't believe it. Alright, we're going to move those like that. And then we are going to move those down. Good. We'll move them out, but you know, it looks funky. I like to. And W. Well, oh yeah, that'll work. That'll work like that. That'll give it a little bit more stability, I think. We don't want these to turn, so we'll turn off the steering. We're going to get old Bob out, otherwise it's not going to work. Because we need to be able to reset the experiments as we're driving around. Alright, so let's make sure we got everything we need for this to work. We've got the wheels. We might be dragging our butt on the ground, so let's move that down some. Yeah, that's good. And we got the collectors, we got that. So we got the 4. Is that all we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we're good there. We got Bob in the driver's seat. We are ready to rumble. So let's launch this puppy. This is where you're going to get a lot of science at the beginning of the game. This is worth the time, the effort, and the energy to do. All right. So let's go ahead and we'll get him driving. And we'll get up to speed. We'll conduct our... That. We'll go ahead and do that. Let's get this over here and locked. Let's get this over here and locked. Let's get this up here and locked. And let's get this... Whoops, I didn't lock it. And log. And we got 0 because we've already done this before, but that's okay. We're going to get them all just to make sure. We're going to grab this and stick it up here. And we're going to collect all. And then we're going to crew report. And we got nothing from that. We're going to go ahead and EVA you. And we're going to restore. And we're going to EVA report. We've got nothing, so we won't do that. We'll be for board. And we will, we don't have a collect here, so we're okay. We're going to get some speed up. And we're going to hit the little aeroplane depot. There's our battery. Perfect. And we're going to need this up because I want to do crew reports. And you should be able to get a crew report, an EVA report, in all four of these, so 6 things per area, I think. Is that right? Yeah. All right, we're in that area. So we're going to log. Yep. We're going to keep. We're going to conduct. We're going to observe. We're going to log. And we're going to crew report. And then we're going to click, 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 click. And we're going to collect all. And then we'll EVA. And we'll right click and we'll EVA report. We'll get that. We'll restore. We'll restore. And we'll board. And we will then collect all again. Get that. All without stopping. I'm going to move over this way a little bit. And then wait. You don't want to do the warp when driving this thing. It gets very unstable and it crashes and you waste time. Slow it down a little bit. Crew report, log, conduct, observe, log. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it all. Got it all. Collect all. EVA. EVA report. Collect. Restore. Restore. Board. And collect all. And now we get headed this way. We've got the UAV. We've got the whatever that's called, the Crossway, I think. All right, crew report. Yes, read the map. We want to log, collect, observe, log, conduct. Here is one right here that I found. See, KSC? That is one that I found. So that's an extra everything. And collect all. Crew report, flagpole. Look at that, got it first try. You need to get the side of the command pod touching the flagpole, then it works. All right, we'll collect all. Look at that, we got 70 experiments. Cover vessel. We should now have enough science to do an orbit. 143. Look at that. And we've got almost enough money to upgrade this to do what we want. So we're going to go ahead and let's go ahead and orbit, and then we'll call it an episode. So we'll do an orbit, and I think we're good. So let's go ahead and build our first orbital machine. Whoops, I forgot to research what I need to build the orbital machine. So let's get out of that. All right, what I really, really want, I need advanced rocketry because I need that and that. And do I need the general construction? I do for that. So we're going to go ahead and grab it while we can. And what do I have left? 53, 90, 45. All right. I think we can. I think we can do this. We're going to leave the facility with orbit. How much does this cost? 150,000. Let's see how much the rocket costs. I'm thinking of this because I can EVA, and if I perform EVAs, then I can get more science up in space. How much money am I going to get from this? From this, 28. I'm gonna get 28,000 more. That might be enough. Let's see how much it costs. Because remember, I got to still buy the parts. I need this fuel, and I really want this because I don't want to kill Jed. And I need this. I need this. And I need a decoupler. Alright, now I need some fuel. I need 2 of those in order to do. I need 2. I don't think I need 2, but I'm going to overbuild just in case. Okay. I don't have that. Okay. Do the orbit. I really can't get any more science in orbit. I just need to get the orbit done. I think I have everything I want. I want to do this. Then it's going to go that and that. And then it's going to go that. I want to do this because I want to change it up a little bit. Well, I guess I didn't need to do that. Minus. And then I can hit that one up there. That'll make it a little bit faster. You just have to pay attention and remember. No new science. I don't have EVA yet. So, all right, let's launch. We're gonna launch from the desert because it's a little bit higher up. It gives me an extra 800 meters, I believe. We're gonna find out. 836 meters. SAS. Launch. Start moving over. It's about 45 and just let it go. There we go. I hope I don't go too fast to kill the parachute, but we're going to find out. Got the way back because I went too far. I may not make it to space. I don't think I got high enough. We'll find out though. I can't abort the launch. Oh, I'm in space. I have a lot of fuel left. That's good. And I don't have yeah, I'll make orbit. Gotta get to 106. Okay. Wait to get to space, and then we'll stop the warp, and then we'll warp again. And we'll get to 106. And leave. The B button, that change that, but it's change that. Orbit. We should have, yep, we've achieved orbit. There we go. 40,000 is good. It's retrograde, and then we'll warp up. How is our battery? Ooh, bad. Sass off. Made a big mistake with no battery on there. There we go. Good, good, good. Turn sass off because it don't matter now. See where we are in the world. 1,000 feet. I'm going to get to about 1,000 feet before I get the next shoot up. 4,000 meters, rather. 700 meters. Good enough. Surface speed is down to 6. We shall survive. Let's get a crew report. Yes. We get an EVA report, too. I am on the ground. All right, we did it. We did the orbit, and now Jeb can do retrograde and prograde. 73. All right. That's the little one. Do we have another ferry? Tourist? No, that may be the one I have to do. We got 233. That's pretty good money in it. All right, we are going to leave the facility and call this an episode. Thank you so much for joining me on my first Kerbal Space Program video. If you stayed this far, please leave a comment and a like and all that other stuff you like to do. I am going to try to plan on getting enough of these where I land on Nimbus minimally, and if I get some traction on the views, I'll continue this and try to get to other planets as well. Thank you so much for joining me, and hit all of those buttons.